Relive the 1997 match between Garry, Kasparov, and IBM's Deep Blue, where the chess grandmaster suffered a crushing defeat in a six-game match. Garry Kasparov, the world chess champion, faced IBM's Deep Blue in a six-game match in 1997. Deep Blue was a supercomputer designed specifically to play chess, with a processing power of 11.38 gigaflops. In Game 1, Kasparov made a mistake on the 44th move, allowing Deep Blue to win, a first for a computer. Kasparov bounced back in Game 2, but Deep Blue won Games 3 and 5, taking a 3.5 to 2.5 lead. In Game 6, Kasparov resigned after just 19 moves, conceding the match to Deep Blue 3.5 to 2.5. This historic defeat marked the first time a computer program had beaten a world chess champion in a match. Ever wondered what happens behind the scenes to keep elevators running smoothly? Elevators are the most used mode of transportation in the world, with over 120 billion rides annually. A typical elevator travels around 5,000 to 7,000 miles per year, equivalent to circling the Earth twice. Regular maintenance can reduce elevator downtime by up to 70%, minimizing disruptions to daily life. Lubricating gears and bearings is crucial, as friction can generate temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, causing premature wear. Elevator doors can open and close up to 200,000 times per year, making them prone to mechanical fatigue. Proper maintenance can extend an elevator's lifespan by 10 to 15 years, saving building owners millions in replacement costs.
Yes, you read that right. Viking warriors wore makeup to signify social status, with more elaborate designs for higher ranks. Eyeliner and other makeup helped Viking warriors to intimidate enemies and appear more fearsome in battle. The Vikings believed that makeup had spiritual significance, with certain colors and designs holding mystical powers. Viking warriors also used makeup to protect their skin from the harsh, sun-scorched climate of Scandinavia. Many Viking artifacts, including jewelry and combs, feature intricate designs and patterns that would have been used to apply makeup. The Viking tradition of wearing makeup continued long after the Viking Age, with medieval Scandinavian art often featuring elaborate facial designs. Uncover the baffling case of Flight 370, which vanished in 2014, with 239 people on board, and explore the eerie similarities with the 1927 disappearance of aviator Charles Lindbergh's Spirit of Street. On March 8, 2014, Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 vanished with 239 people on board, sparking a global mystery. The Boeing 777 aircraft, flying from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing, suddenly disappeared from radar screens. Philip Payne, co-pilot of Charles Lindbergh's Spirit of St. Louis, vanished in 1927, eerily foreshadowing Flight 370's disappearance. Both Payne and Flight 370 were last seen flying over remote areas with limited radar coverage, hampering search efforts.
Delve into the heart of the Congo Basin, home to over 1,000 bird species and more than 700 ethnic groups, including the Mbuti people, who have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries. The Congo Basin is the second largest tropical rainforest in the world, covering over 2 million square kilometers. It's home to over 1,000 bird species, many found nowhere else on the planet, including the iconic Congo peafowl. The Mbuti people, also known as the forest people, have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries, relying on it for food and shelter. They're skilled hunters, using poisoned arrows and intricate traps to catch their prey, often in collaboration with their forest spirits. Despite their deep connection to the forest, the Mbuti people have no concept of land ownership.
We're counting down the most impressive military vehicle records, including the longest-range artillery shot and the highest altitude reached by a tank, with a focus on the amazing achievements. The longest-range artillery shot was achieved by the German Dora gun in 1942, reaching 43 miles. The highest altitude reached by a tank is 21,033 feet, set by a Pakistani Type 69 tank in 1987. The fastest military vehicle is the Thrust SSC jet-powered car, reaching 763.03 miles per hour in 1997. The largest military vehicle is the Russian Antonov An-225 Mia cargo plane, with a wingspan of 290 feet. The longest-serving military vehicle is the US M-35 truck, in operation from 1950 to 2015. The deepest dive by a submarine is 35,000.
From completing The Legend of Zelda in under 30 minutes to beating Super Mario Bros., the first speedrun was recorded in 1982 by Billy Mitchell, who completed Donkey Kong in 1 minute 58 seconds. Speedrunners use glitches, optimized routes, and precise jumps to shave seconds off their completion times. Darbian, a renowned speedrunner, holds the world record for completing The Legend of Zelda in 27 minutes 48 seconds. The speedrunning community raises millions of dollars for charity each year through events like Summer Games Done Quick. The fastest completion of Super Mario Bros. Is 4.5 seconds, achieved by speedrunner NXi using a glitch. Speedrunning has become so popular that it's now featured as an official event at gaming conventions like E3 and PAX.
Count down the top 5 most banned songs in radio history, featuring God Save the Queen by the Sex Pistols and Relax by Frankie Goes to Hollywood. The first song to be banned by the BBC was Minnie the Moocher by Cab Calloway in 1931. The Sex Pistols' God Save the Queen was banned in 1977 for its anti-monarchist lyrics. Frankie Goes to Hollywood's Relax was banned by the BBC in 1984 due to its explicit content. The BBC banned Louie Louie by The Kingsmen in 1963, fearing its lyrics were obscene. The Kinks' Lola was banned in 1970 for its suggestive lyrics about a romantic encounter. In 1969, The Doors' Unknown Soldier was banned for its graphic depiction of war.
Compare the incredible adaptations of lava fish to human attempts to explore extreme environments and see who comes out on top. Lava fish thrive in temperatures up to 40 degrees Celsius, while humans struggle to survive above 35 degrees Celsius. These fish have specialized scales that reflect heat, unlike human skin, which absorbs it. Lava fish can survive in water with pH levels as low as 3.5, while humans need a pH range of 7.35 to 7.45. Humans require pressurized suits to dive deep, but lava fish can withstand pressures up to 250 times that of sea level. Lava fish have adapted to live in environments with minimal oxygen, whereas humans need a constant supply. Despite these extreme adaptations, lava fish are still vulnerable to climate change, just like humans.